Hey everybody, if you want to get the Shattered Gold in the a.r.c. M1 in Black Ops 7 and you're looking out how to do so, this video will provide you an overview of how we can do it. So let's just get started. So for that, you can just go over and unlock all of the military and special camos for the weapon. You can go over to the section for camos and go to the customize section. And once you go to the customize section, you can select multiplayer, and there you should be finding all of the camos available for military, special, and mastery. So first of all, you need to unlock the military and special, and then you will be getting the mastery, where you will be getting the shadow code for the a.r.c. M1 in Black Ops. So we can just go over and start it up. You need to complete each of the challenges one by one. So you need to go over and do so. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and under military. At the very last challenge, we have getting the 50 to 75 kills with the a.r.c. M1. You can play domination, kill confirmed, or chaos mosh pit, and use a mid range and take advantage of the first accuracy, and then get those, and you will be unlocking the special one. And under special, you need to go over and get typically 20 to 30 headshots, and you can just go over and do so and get area skills, long shots if available. You can just go over and do so, and you can unlock the arc light camo, and even you can just go over and get 10 double kills or better. You can complete it up. You can unlock all the multiplayer military camos on the a.r.c. M1, and you need to damage 30 times for the a.r.c. M1. And at last, we have mainframe in the special camo, which you need to go over and confirm it up, unlock it. You can unlock it by going ahead and upgrading with the a.r.c. M1. Those are probably some of the challenges: getting kills without using no attachments, getting kills while holding breath, or getting kills while sliding jumping. And once you do so, you will be getting your Shattered Gold option available at the very last. Once you complete all of the camos, you will be getting the Mastery, Final Screen, and the animated Shattered Gold style automatically. You need to complete all of the challenges, and you need to get 3 kills within Shattered Gold as well without dying 10 times, or get 30 kills in a single game for that matches unlock. And that should probably unlock the Shattered Gold on your a.r.c. M1 fast and easy. So if this video helped you out, make sure to check out our guides and follow the steps. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.